Okay, welcome back. We are gonna do another snow bash on skis with the Gorgon. We're gonna do 3S this time, and I just got this 3S battery from Ovonic. This is the perfect snow pack. We got a little bit of snow earlier this morning. It kind of put a fresh coat down, and then it got really warm. So now, like, it doesn't break through. This is the perfect snow pack that I was hoping to have last time I ran it. It was really icy, and these paddle tires, they just don't like the ice. Oh, I was so pumped when I saw I got my battery, and then it snowed last night. All right, here we go on 3S. Oh, we got a lot more power. Let's see how fast this thing can rip. I have to ease on the throttle. If I know the camera isn't picking up the roost, maybe yeah, maybe you can see the roost there. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Yeah, I wanted to run on 3S originally. I really hope you can see that. I'm stuck. Can't get going, can't get traction. Snowpack is not as thick as I was hoping it would be. The ice is like right there under the snow. There's probably only like less than an inch. Man, these roosters, they are really roosting up this snow. But it's doing pretty good. The skis are doing pretty good with the turning. Looks like I'm gonna run out of daylight before I run out of battery. All right, enough playing around. I'm out.